Whoops, here we go again. Google has finally proved that they are the worst at keeping secrets. We have the full, real, hands-on look at the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And no, there's no doubt about this because this is the actual video from Google themselves. Apparently, this is a marketing tutorial on how to use probably the most surprising feature on the phone, which is actually this new sensor right below the flash module. We first thought that it's probably a LiDAR scanner similar to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but turns out it is actually a thermometer sensor. Yes, you heard that right. The Pixel 8 Pro is a thermometer as well thanks to this new sensor. This official leak is basically showing us how this will work. So once you open the body temperature app, it's gonna show you this tap to measure button, and once you start the whole process, you basically have to move the phone sensor around your forehead, your temples for about 4 seconds, and once that's done, it's going to tell you the temperature of your body. Now obviously, we don't know how accurate this is going to be compared to a traditional thermometer, but I gotta say, this is a pretty unique feature that we have not seen on any major smartphone. Definitely a very out-of-the-box thinking from Google. But yeah, this is the Pixel 8 Pro. We can also look at the design. It is indeed rocking a very similar look to the Pixel 7 Pro, but instead of having a separate camera lenses, it's now having a one complete build in which we have 3 camera sensors. The main ISOCELL GN2, which is going to be Samsung's largest main camera sensor, which we have seen in the leaks that it is coming to the 8 Pro. In the middle, we have the telephoto lens along with the ultra-wide-angle lens. And then on the side, we have the flash and the brand new thermometer sensor. As for the front, we have a near 6.7-inch screen, identical to the 7 Pro from last year. But if you look at the sides of the phone, it is looking a little bit more rounded compared to the 7 Pro. A nice change for those who prefer a bit of a more comfortable grip in their hand. So there we go. This is a Pixel 8 Pro, and according to a major leakster, it is just the beginning. We're gonna see a lot more leaks regarding this phone, a lot more of Google's own marketing materials. So all I have to say, Google should have unveiled this phone when they had the chance at the I/O event, because now leaksters are doing just that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.